today, finishing your academic, progress, you're kind of making a very important change in your life. You're joining an industry. 5 years back when I joined this industry, in that sense, I've spent only 5 years in this industry. When I joined this industry, I had very little understanding of, what this industry stands for. And over 5 years, I think I've learned a little bit about this industry. I just want to share what you're getting into. Just give you my perspective of what I see about this industry. What makes me excited about this industry. What keeps me alive about doing something within this industry. And just before, when we were chatting, Dr. Rao was talking about our industry. One of the things that I was sharing was the fact that as an industry, we don't somehow talk about all the good things that we are doing. And I want to spend a bit of time talking about the good things about our industry. Over the last 5 years in financial services, if you look at every sector, everyone has gone through a fair amount of difficulty because of the headwinds that all of you are aware of. General insurance industry in these difficult times has grown at about 18% CAGR, which in itself is a remarkable achievement. Even as we stand today this year with the economy growing slow, everyone talking about what is not going well, our industry is still growing in double digits, around 13-14%. This industry, as per a research done by McKinsey, contributes tremendously to the economy. It provides employment, direct or indirect, to about 7 lakh people. That's not a small number. Not only our employees, our agents, our surveyors, our doctors, our engineers, we provide employment, direct or indirect, to 7 lakh people. But the key role that the industry plays is in terms of fostering entrepreneurship. It fosters entrepreneurship because it takes risk of doing business away from the businessman. And we do that by providing protection to about 1,000 lakh crore of assets in this country. That's the kind of size this industry talks about. And again, McKinsey's done a study. Everyone talks about what are the fuels for economic growth. What drives economic growth? Everyone says banking, credit, investments. These are things that fuel economic growth. So they've done a global survey to understand what is the impact of one unit of growth in each of the industries: general insurance, private credit, that is banking, and life insurance. And the number is staggering. Everyone thinks that credit is the industry which really fuels economic growth. And what McKinsey research finds is that 1 unit of incremental growth for credit, which is banking, leads to 0.34% growth in GDP. And the same unit growth for general insurance leads to 0.39% of GDP growth. So in a sense, GI industry plays a significant higher role in creating the environment for people to take risk and hence encourage entrepreneurship and hence foster growth for the economy. That's the industry that you're getting into. The other thing that inspires me about this industry is the opportunity that I see. Even with this 18% growth that I talked about, this industry has huge potential ahead of it. As we speak, motor insurance, which is mandatory insurance product for anyone who drives a car, the fact is that 50% of the vehicles on the roads of this country do not have an insurance cover. Over the last 5 years, insurance industry has done remarkable work in financial inclusion. In these last 5 years, the industry has added 300 million people, provided insurance to about 300 million people, most of them from the poorest of the poor. In spite of that, today in India, the penetration of health insurance is very, very low. And if you see the total healthcare spends in this country, still about 65-70% of the expenses are paid for by people out of their pocket. When there is a health event, People have to sell assets, borrow money, beg, borrow, whatever it is that they can do to pay for their health expenses. That creates a big opportunity for health insurance. If you look at any line of business, marine, property, all the lines that all of you have studied, the penetration is very, very low. Home insurance, the penetration is less than 1%. Global average for developed countries is 45 to 50%. So this is an industry which has huge opportunity to grow. Not only has it been growing faster than some of the other industries in the last 5 years, this industry has huge opportunity to grow. And that's one of the things that is exciting about the industry that you are joining. But what is even more personally exciting is the role that you play, or role that you play as a member of this industry. And I'll tell you a story that personally is my favorite. A story of in my first or second year when I was in Calcutta talking to some of the real veteran agents. We had about 50 agents and we asked some of the senior agents to stand up and talk about what they like about doing the job that they do. So we had this old, one of the oldest, senior most agent, most respected agent. He was about 70, 75 years old. And he stood up and he said, I am a fourth generation agent. He says, my grandfather's father started, as an agent. My grandfather continued as an agent. My father continued the business, and here I am. I am also continuing to be an agent. So ask me why. Why is it that I and my four generations have been doing what I have been doing? And he said, and he was telling all the other agents, he said, what you should understand is the job that you're doing is, in my diction, God's work. And this is his word, not mine. He said, we are there when someone is in deep distress, when a person suffers a damage to his asset, when he suffers some ailment personally, when he's in he's in a troubled time. You are there to help the person. You are there to help pick him up, provide him help, advice, support, monetary and otherwise, and get him back on his feet. There's no other industry that gives you that opportunity. And he says, I've been in this industry. Of course, it has given me money to survive. But what really drives me is, or the passion that drives me is this experience. The fact that you're there with your customers when they really need you. And personally, I think that is one of the most inspiring things about this industry that you're getting into.